I'm going to show you how to use Green Terp Booth Manager to create a session, a free 30-minute session in this video tutorial. First of all, please log in to your registered account with GD Booth. Okay, I'm getting in now, so you can add whatever channels you wanted to create from the list here. You can add new, or you can delete or edit anything. There are some pre-populated channels here, but you can create your own. Next, go to event and go to hosted and click on add an event. All right, and then give out a name, like for example test, and 12345 as the password. Now choose free if you want to have a free 30 minutes meeting with audience receivers that your client and your audience can check it out, can test it out. This is great for a demo to your client or to test out everything with your colleagues. So you can choose now, for example, or in the future, sometime in the future. But let's say I'm going to choose now. Then I have to give 30 minutes from now. Okay. Because it doesn't allow me to go with other time length. And I'm going to choose randomly, okay, a channel. Let's say this can be your own email registered, or can be another email registered. So I'm going to just create this for a test with English and Spanish channel and with my registered email with this account. And I'm going to click on create event. So it's done. The next step is to copy the link and download the QR code. Once the QR code is downloaded, you can pass it to your audience, your client, or use your own phone to scan it, or use this link to send it to your customers, your colleagues, and from there they're able to listen to interpretation. And all you need to do is to log in from either your GD booth on a computer or the mobile GD booth on your phone and enjoy the test.